Hi guys, so okra evening. So I'm about to make some fresh delicious okra for the evening. So lately I've been on weight loss journey and trying to eat healthy and as much fibers and vegetables as much as possible. So okra, as you all know, is a very good vegetable, and as an African, I love African food. I like to eat African food that is really healthy. So I'm doing okra for dinner this evening. So let's get to it ASAP. Okay, so let's quickly go get our fresh fish for this okra soup. So for today's recipe, I am using fresh fish. Like I said, this okra is fresh. Everything about it is fresh. So, and for today's okra, I'm using the white raw fish. This white raw fish also is really nice. It's a little expensive, but it's nice. So get our fish, get the other ingredients, okra, which is the main ingredient, and and let's get to business. Okra, like I rightly said, or I said earlier, is very good. It's a very good vegetable. It's packed with nutrients. It's packed with vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, as well as minerals like magnesium, calcium, potassium, name it, folate. It's also a very good source of fiber. Very good. And it contains beneficial antioxidants like I read it some time ago. Antioxidant like polyphenols. Yes, sure. So okra is a very, very, very good and nutritious vegetable. So you should include it in your diet if you are meaning to eat healthy and eat a lot of vegetables or vegetables with a lot of minerals. Yes. Okay, so we get to business. This is all of my ingredients. Like I said, those ingredients is looking like pepper soup ingredients because this okra I'm about to make is pepper soup okra. Yes, pepper soup okra. So my ingredients, I have a little bit of ngangsa in there. I have green peppers. I have peppers. I have garlic and some green spices. And the main ingredient, which is I also have some red onions and the main ingredient here is the okra, which is our goal. Okay, so yeah, so recently I started doing weight loss journey. Trust me, weight is a bastard. Weight is really a bastard. Like, I literally started feeling sick because of weight. And yes, this is me. I'm trying as much as possible to stay in the African yet but still on diet. I know, because we often say African food is the problem. It has a lot of calories, but yes, if you love African food like myself, you can go this route. Eat what you like, but eat healthy. So with this recipe, I'm not going to be adding too much apart from just the fresh things that you're seeing in the pot. So with this okra, you can choose whatever protein source you want. So for mine, I'm using fish, but you can as well make it with any kind of protein: chicken, beef, pork, whatever. Even if you don't want pork, you can use mushrooms or anything. It's still going to be very healthy and nutritious. So with this pepper soup, I'm not adding a lot of things. There's no egusi, there's no red oil, there's no too much oil into it. It's just like pepper soup. Like you can see the soup right there. I can actually eat it or eat it with something like a side like rice or maybe yam or something, plantains. So while that is ready, is getting ready, so let's make the side that we're going to be using. And the side here is oatmeal. So oatmeal is what I'm going to use. So I'm doing swallow, however I'm using just pure oatmeal for this swallow. So that is oatmeal, kind of blending into oatmeal powder. With this oatmeal, right, you can actually add vegetable into it if you like. Maybe spinach, cabbage, lettuce, whatever vegetable you feel like you want to blend, you can blend it in your blender and mix it and cook it together. But for this one, no, I didn't add it. I didn't want to do too much, and I just wanted to have plain oatmeal. And I didn't cook it too much because this is quicker oat. Okay, with quicker oat, you cook just with maybe warm water or put in the microwave for 3 minutes and it's ready. So I cook it maybe between 3 to 4 minutes in the microwave and it's ready to go. And yes, that is my oatmeal flour in turned into swallow or fufu, like you can call it. So that's why I say staying in Africa while still eating healthy. If fufu coin, if whatever fufu or whatever is the problem, let's stay with something that is good because oatmeal is packed with fibers as well. So this is my fish. It's almost ready. Here I need to I've not yet put the okra, but you can see it's ready. I can drink it. I can eat it that way. I can eat it with rice. I can eat it with plantain. But for the purpose of this, no, I'm not eating like that. I just want to eat okra. So crayfish, you saw me adding crayfish. It's a very, very good sacred ingredient for okra. If you want your okra to taste delicious even without any meat or protein or whatever, just add crayfish. That is the booster. All right, so my okra is not going to cook for so long. It's just going to be cooked for maybe maximum 2 minutes, 2 minutes or less, and that's it. I add a little bit of olive oil, virgin olive oil into it, and it's done. It's ready, right? So you don't want to overcook your vegetable. You don't want to overcook the okra because you're gonna lose some of the nutrients in it. And for this, I want to have everything. Like I said, I'm on a weight loss journey. I'm not doing too much. I just want to go gradually. So I want to eat healthy and eat balanced, so I don't starve myself or I don't get sick. So that is me, and this food tastes delicious. Trust me. And yes, if you're not following us or subscribe to our channel, please do so for more interesting content. Thank you.